Dad, you gotta let your string all the way out.
No, Daddy, it's not rocking to you the stroller.
Oh, that's okay.
All the way out?
That's okay, we got more than one. What they doing here? Boston.
Hi, Maddie.
Find the ducks?
Hey, Brooke. Let's see, Brooks. Wow, what do you think about? Wow. What do you think about that? Huh? Scary. It's not scary. Oh, I don't know. You don't want to get out. There's nothing to get out and see. That would be scary. There's Ryan. Rye. Hello. There's Ryan's boat out in the center. Well, not center, but.
What? What do you say? Thank you. Uh-oh, yours is stuck.
Oh, great. Everyone's just going to get stuck there. You're going to have to move that branch, Link. Or maybe we should just leave it there and then we don't have to be responsible. Maybe we should set it up right here. Maybe you should put that thing across the front of the river.
I don't even think there's... Oh, who's that?
Oh, someone's made it through.
That's Calder. Calder's is upside down. Lincoln's is upside
Okay.
down.
I better put this thing away because
Oh!
now this is too much fun.
Calder, slow down.
I wish I got that on camera.